Get up here, get up here, get up here!
Come on, let's go!
All red down there, there's like 12 of them.
So I'm getting ready to chrono for the night game. The night game we have to chrono at 250 feet per second or less. Last year we played at Colville. I'm going to try to film parts of it so you can see like the fireworks going off and the flares and smoke, but I don't know how much you're going to actually be able to see. So, but we'll try anyway. German coming up. German coming up. German.
Hey.
Hey, it is Germans up here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? They put the Germans with the 82nd.
Okay.
There was only like 30 Germans that wanted to play. So they made all 82nd Airborne to be on the German side.
Okay, but y'all are on the German side.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking the same thing. I was just like, can you just barrel tag like everyone on the second floor?
Yeah, that's
Some of the 82nd on you guys.
that's what I was wondering, because I was like, you have to have a functional marker in order to tag out.
Be ready!
German upstairs! Let him up!
Hey, get up here, get up here, get up here!
Come on, let's go!
All red down there, there's like 12 of them. Hurry, guys, hurry! Hurry, come on!
Get up!
Hey, there's right there. See, look, shoot down in the crack. Down in the crack. Down in the crack. See it right there? Yeah, down in there. They're right down there.
Can't really get it down in there to shine that well.
Here, let me go over there. See him?
Shine it over further.
Watch the cracks! Watch the cracks!
It's shining on that wood so much that's blinding me. I'm hit.
They just took the strip mall. Strip mall. Ooh, yeah, highlights and everything. Oh, yeah. Somebody call a game?
I think so.
I didn't.
Oh, that was so good.
I thought they said it was game over.